I'm going to give you an example now of a 1 minute message. Now, 1 minute message, even though you have a minute, doesn't have to be an entire minute. It could be 30 seconds or 45 seconds, but it shouldn't be any longer than 1 minute. So let's begin. Would you like to get more clients? How about a never-ending flow of clients? I teach business owners and entrepreneurs how to get all the clients that they can handle. Hi, I'm Arvee Robinson. I'm the master speaker trainer, international speaker, and author of Speak Up, Get Clients. And the number one secret to getting more clients is consistency. That's right, consistency. Doing it every single week. Now, just imagine if you spoke once a week to a group of 25 people, that would be 100 people at the end of the month. Now, let's imagine that you did that 10 months out of the year. That is 1,000 new people that you are in front of in a year. That's more people than people can imagine being in front of. And if you learn how to become persuasive and pull out the hot leads, then you will get enough clients to last you for the rest of your life. Because I believe that if you can't say it, you can't sell it. So that's a 1 minute message. So I hope this helps you to develop yours.